But like Matt Stoney, it's different because he's a competitive eater and it's cool. But
Yeah,
when we watch like
impressive.
Naked Avocado, he's like taking his time, but he's like shoving everything in,
He's
like the god of
I
gluttony.
know, and it.
literally gluttony, dude.
The
Literally
pot of
embodiment
greed.
gluttony.
Pot of greed.
Guys, did
Yo,
you know you can carry
popcorn.
up to 2 logs at a time?
It's like you guys like almost like on the same internet connection.
I know, right?
Oh my god, are you guys in that helicopter?
No, I'm in
Yeah.
this helicopter. I'm in their helicopter.
Oh my god, guys.
I'm gonna talk to
Spoiler
my mom.
alert,
I'll be right
my
back.
helicopter's going down. Oh, dang. Oh, another spoiler alert? We got a beach spawn.
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Calvin! What's up, Calvin? Why is my sensitivity so high?
Edward Puffton and Barbara Puffton.
Oh my god,
They're dead.
Virginia Puffton.
What fucking shit is Virginia? What?
Site map. Site map, site map, site map, site map. Whoa.
Contact fire.
Once you land on Surfer's Moon, it's worth it.
Photos other from data references.
Oh, I'm powering mine off.
Hang on, Calvin! Calvin, hang on! Calvin, no! No!
Oh my god, this is like, this is Ocean Gate. This is Ocean Gate.
Bro, this is Borderlands movie.
Oh my god. I hope that movie's good. I'm gonna be upset if it's not. I'm picking that as one of our topics,
Bro,
Colby.
I never learned how to swim. Bro, why would you drown right there? Just swim around the helicopter.
It's so good. It's like an
Wait,
Xbox 360.
can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was making sure.
Crawling from the ocean.
White?
Oh, fucking Kevin's Channing Tatum.
No! Oh, Kevin's hot, dude!
Kevin's hot, dude.
Oh my god, Kevin, I would fuck the shit out of you, dude.
I can hear you. Can you hear me over?
I hear you
Yes.
twice.
Yes, what? Over? Bro, I'd fuck so many bees. I'm sorry, I can't tell if you're done talking. Over. Shut up, bro. You gotta say over when you're done.
Who's doing that, bro? What the fuck? Why is there so much feedback?
Wait,
Because he's walking near me while talking with it.
is it realistic where if you walk next to each other while walking, it does actual feedback?
Yeah,
Let's test it. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Are you into me? Like I'm into you. Sorry, the song's called Hello. Okay, that's all right,
I like he slowly gets it.
Dude, this is like so bad. Oh, dude, that's so loud.
Kevin, lower your mic, please. We can't even change the audio settings. You have to do it yourself.
No!
Why you're watching?
Oh, that's great, dude.
This is
Look
crazy.
after me!
Oh my god, this is like just like Epstein's Island.
This is just like Epstein's Island.
There's no children.
You want a bitch? You want a bitch?
Why is my fucking sensitivity?
Die, they're gonna die.
It's just automatic. Yeah. Do you mind?
Okay, get off the fucking walkie, bro. Come here.
Dude, there's so many. There's so many. Run. There's so many. Run.
I'm dying.
Alright, Kelvin. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh my god!
People run.
No, I'm dead.
Get up, get up,
Let's get the fill up.
Guys, I just
Hit him directly to fellow.
get up. Help me.
We're buying one hit.
This guy's
You have no
Up
help.
here, dude. This guy's bugging.
Yeah, he's soloing us.
Oh my god! He's demolishing all of us.
Are we all dead? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm taking his friend.
come on, guys. Let's fucking eat him.
Kelly's just sitting there like,
Oh, there's a cannibal camp in front of us and it's active.
Where are the ca-
Yeah, I got another friend.
Let's throw the bodies in
That's where
front
they
of the
came
fire
from.
in front of them.
The motor got back!
Wait, it's the guy with the motor? Yeah. That's crazy. They don't show up there
Oh,
for
dude, this is a fancy chair. Oh my
Oh, Colby is gone. Everyone bow down to Colby. Everyone
King
bow
of
down
the
to Colby.
castle, king of the castle, I have the chair, king of the castle.
Just lay the bodies over there. Just lay the bodies over there. I'll eat them later.
I threw an arrow, I threw a spear into him.
Oh my god, he backhanded me like a pimp.
Yo, he killed a bird.
I'll be on the healing. You guys kill them. I'll just heal. Andrew, get in there. I'm mercy.
He's focused on me, he's aggro on me.
My arm, it's gone! Oh, there it is.
He's down! He's down!
Eat him!
Chop it in pieces.
Chop him up, boys! Chop him up! Meat!
Another cannibal.
Oh.
8 o'clock.
Dude, I'm getting bones by breaking these pots.
Got him in the face. I got him in the eye.
What the hell
bad.
is this?
By 8 o'clock, Kevin.
There's another one. Another cannibal. Another cannibal. Guys. Cannibal.
Give me a
Cannibal.
time. Where's
Cannibal.
he at? Give me a
Cannibal.
time.
Cannibal.
Dude, just throw a spear at his head.
You guys are straight up garbage. I show you where cannibal is and you guys are like, oh, good.
You say 8 o'clock like I should somewhat know that.
We're military personnel. We have to know that.
Okay.
That bucket's still going.
Just because you don't know it doesn't make an excuse. Ignorance is never an excuse.
You could have just said to the left of us, but...
The Last of Us?
Bro, why'd
What
you
am I,
start a
Joel?
fire, Jacob? There's one right there.
This way you can't do nothing with it.
1738. Hey.
I'm Mikey, what's up? Hello!
Kobe, look what I got, Kobe. Look.
What? What is that? Oh, nice, dude. Seagull head.
Oh my goodness.
You can put them in your pocket.
I wish I could put you in my pocket.
There you go.
Yeah. Reduce it, but don't eliminate it.
Reduce. Reuse.
Recycle. Rikiki.
Wakiki. Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kanye.
Bro, Survivor. I got Survivor. I got an achievement.
Guys, I don't want to alarm you, but I am extremely thirsty and hungry.
I have some meat over here.
Of course you're thirsty.
I have meat over here.
What's it from?
Bird.
I thought you were gonna be fun to say human.
It wasn't even ready.
That's not ready! That's not ready! What are you doing?
Yeah, there's only...
Hey, I'm hungry.
I have a bow. Now all I need is arrows.
How the fuck did I make arrows? Oh.
I'm gonna go explore, everyone. Hello? Need one. Mr. Gooch. Don't care. I don't know why, but I heard like a very start. Can you say about that, Isaiah? You know what I say about that? Fuck, man. Swear to God, this game makes me schizophrenic. Guys, you look at a bird!
How much stick do I get from cutting down tree?
I don't think he gets stick. Log. You cut down the
I have a
sound
handful on my sides.
Guys, I found poop.
Timber!
Ouch.
Oh, it just laughed at me!
I know it was good looting that spot, right?
Make all the bone armor.
Oh, I wasn't even thinking about that. Dude, Kevin. Jesus Christ, Kevin.
Hey,
What's going
I
on?
get muted.
What's going on?
You are a pumpkin. Kevin, that's fucking horrendous.
What's horrendous?
You know what?
Do I? I'm gonna exit and then switch my voice settings and then I'll come right back in, alright?
Gotcha. Cannibal screamed.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. How do you point again?
I don't know.
Okay, well, there's a running one, and then there's that fucker right there. Just walking out towards us.
Nah, snipe this motherfucker.
I think that was a little bit limp. Yo, he took exception to that!
Myers back, boy.
There's another one!
Oh, the... Is he dead?
Yeah, you got him.
Dude, low key bow and arrow.
Fucking-
OP.
Dude, I need to get some arrows. Kobe just carrying a guy.
I murdered a man.
Oh, rust sound effect?
More cannibals, more cannibals.
Oh, they're munching.
Oh, fuck those guys.
Oh, there are multiple! That's a lot of cannibals!
Oh, did I dome them?
Hello, can I be heard? More importantly, can I be listened to? We're under attack! They're everywhere! I'm not there, so it's really not my problem.
Oh, because Kevin left without saving.
You guys can just sort that out for yourself. That'd be great. Thank you.
You forgot to save when you left.
You guys, I'm about to overdose. I think I'm gonna die. Guys, I heard cannibals right next to me. You guys have to help me. We're not there, so it doesn't sound like my problem. Yeah, that sounds like a... You can't use my reasoning against me. That's illegal. There's no law here, but law. That sounds like a pee-pee. Kevin, look out! That is Kevin, what the fuck? How's my audio? Is it good?
No, you came back louder.
Is it better?
You
Louder.
came
Oh,
back
really?
with the fucking air conditioner.
Okay, well, whatever.